In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut PC using keyframes. First, open CapCut on your PC. Then either create a new project or open an existing one. For this example, I already have a video on my timeline. Now move along your timeline and find the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. Once you've found it, click on that position in the timeline. This will place the playback cursor where the zoom animation starts. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted before moving on. Now move to the top right corner of CapCut. Make sure the video tab is selected. Then make sure Basic is selected underneath. Scroll down until you see Position and Size. This section allows you to control the zoom level of your video. On the right side of Position and Size, you'll see a small diamond icon. This is the Add Keyframe button. Now click the diamond icon. This creates your first keyframe. You should now see a diamond marker appear on the timeline. Next, decide how long you want the zoom animation to take. Move the playback cursor further along the timeline. The farther you move it, the slower the zoom will be. The closer you move it, the faster the zoom will be. Now it's time to zoom in. You have two different ways to do this. Option 1. Move to the preview window and drag the corner handles inward. Option 2. Go to the right side panel and increase the scale value. After zooming in, you can also drag the video in the preview window. This allows you to focus on a specific subject or area of the video. So position the frame exactly where you want viewers to look. Now move the playback cursor back to the beginning of the animation and press play. You should now see your video smoothly zooming in. If you want the video to return to normal size, keep watching. Move the playback cursor further down the timeline. Choose the point where you want the zoom out animation to finish. Now go back to the preview window and drag the corner handles outward until the video returns to its original size. Or simply reset the scale value back to normal. Notice that when you change the size, CapCut automatically created another keyframe. This means you don't need to manually add another keyframe every time you make an adjustment. CapCut handles it for you. Now move the playback cursor back to the start and press play. You'll see the video smoothly zoom in and then smoothly zoom back out. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.